folks. I just yawned. Ugh. It's hot out. Like, I don't even want to do anything. Like, I was supposed to do some concrete work, and I didn't want to do it. It's just too damn hot. What is this? I guess it'll be a weekly update. I haven't done much in the last 2 weeks. This will probably pop up on my video, not now, but maybe a week from now. Why is this drill bit not going there? What have I done? Basically roasted in the heat. I've been picking up tractor parts because my father-in-law is using the one of my tractors. They got it to turn over, but the wiring's a little messed. So I found my bag of, what do you call it? I've been looking for this for a while. My dime bag of, what are they called? Pins. I bought some pins. And I'm gonna open up just a, this is supposed to be a weekly update. What do you call it? Trike is on hold for basically waiting to be sandblasted. It's also on hold because I'm awaiting a pinion gear removal piece bolt. I thought I bought the wrong one. I bought the, what is it? Not pinion, no. No, I bought the pinion gear one, and I was supposed to get the rear axle bolt removing thing, so I didn't waste my money. It's still good for the bike, but do I ever use it? I'm not really sure. So, but I bought a bunch of pins. This is a while ago. I lost them at work. I left them on the shelf. So if you like pins, here's a bunch of pins. See? Pins. What I buy them for? Because when you're not sure which one to buy, you just buy them all. Oh, that's what these are. These are the tapered ones. Yeah, I bought the tapered pins for the Wilton vise. So yeah. Also, what's new at me? There's a rumor in my life that my shop will be, sometime in the next few months, I will be moving my entire shop to a new shop. Can't say any details right now, but it's very close. From what I can guess, it's a little bigger, and it's completely lined with sheet metal. It should give me enough room to weld whatever the hell I want. So it's bigger. It's, I don't know, if you put all my stuff in there, it'll be probably better with my stuff in there, but just kidding anyway. So we made a deal with my somebody to move it, which is all good. The bike's coming along. I haven't bought any more parts for the bike because I'm gonna take it apart first. And my goal is, once I get that pinion thing remover, I'm gonna take the back off. I will probably take the front forks off if it ever gets nice out. When I say nice, I mean like below 30 degrees. It was so hot today, this week, it was just ridiculous. Power's going out, lightning storms and stuff. So putting screws back in the bag. Not much new really. Work on the house, getting a little bit done. Still making videos. I got if like a few people comment, I still have a quadrillion videos left. But I'll probably try to make to it. It's getting really close to me. Like, I still got about, enough to keep me going for. I also have Tool Time videos uploaded till October. New Tool Time Tuesday videos. They're not really called that. I just put all the tool review videos on Tuesday. And if I do anything during the week and record it, I'll leave the Tuesday one. I'll bump everything else out. So, what else? I don't know. That's pretty much it. 3 minutes of. I got the sandblaster, the doors done, the legs done. I got to do there's a pan on the bottom that's got to be painted. The little funnel cone's got to be completely stripped down. I might have to, I don't know if I should take it apart. I might just clean it up good, grind it, and then put it back together and prime it, because, there's no point. It's a sandblaster. I could just take the sandblasting gun out and just spray the outside with it, which would be a good idea. But the bottom little funnel part's rusted, so I got to figure out how to fix the cap on it because the bolt's messed. So I might have to take one of the screw knobs, weld the bolt on it, and change it. The top window's been riv nutted, and I just need a light for it. Oh, and there's 4 legs. There's a pan that goes in halfway to hold the legs stabilized, and there's supposed to be like this rectangle piece that I guess holds it all together. That's destroyed, and since I haven't been able to weld because all the shit's in my way, I am thinking of spot welding it together. Or I'm thinking of making an L bracket, a little tiny bracket, putting it in there and spot welding on the outside, and then maybe just bring it over here and give it a couple. My welder's over here, and there's an entire shit pile of sandblaster in the way, so I might have to get somebody to give me a hand, put it over there for now, temporary weld it, and put the base back together. And I totally forgot to weld on the little red tabs to put the casters on, so I might, if I move that over there, and then, or if I carry it, whatever, I can carry the empty body myself. Oh, I'm gonna clean up, put it back over there, pull my welder out, and possibly weld those on and put some casters on it, because things are so much better with wheels, don't you think? Wheels. Who doesn't like wheels? I think even the Egyptians understood the idea of the wheel. So wheels roll, those over there, when I move it, it'll roll. It's kind of exciting. This will be my it'll be my 4th shop, and then after that, when our new house gets done, I will work on building the last and final shop, as I'd like to build a shop of my own that's mine and all, whatever. So anyway, that's about it. I haven't even bought any paint, anything. In fact, I bought more chips and pork rinds and stuff than anything else. So before I sweat and die of heat exhaustion, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and stay tuned for more.